Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study at the last moment of exam. Start by quickly reviewing your exam structure and key topics. Identify high-value areas and those where you feel weakest. This rapid assessment helps you focus your limited time effectively. Gather all your notes, textbooks, and any practice questions. Having everything organized saves precious minutes. Remember, every second counts when you are studying at the last minute. Now, engage in active recall. Instead of passively rereading, quiz yourself on important definitions and formulas. Try to explain concepts aloud. Work through practice problems, even if just a few, to solidify your understanding and pinpoint areas needing more attention. This method is far more effective than simply highlighting or rereading your notes. Aim for deep understanding over surface-level memorization. Even in a crunch, strategic breaks are vital. Step away for 5 to 10 minutes every hour to clear your head and prevent burnout. Drink plenty of water and have some healthy snacks like fruit or nuts to keep your energy levels stable. If time allows, aim for at least 4 to 6 hours of sleep. Rest improves memory consolidation and overall performance significantly. On exam day, arrive early to avoid any last-minute stress. Take a few deep breaths to calm your nerves. When the exam begins, read all instructions thoroughly before answering. Allocate your time strategically across all sections, perhaps spending 1 minute per mark. Trust in your preparation, even if it was last minute, and approach each question with a clear mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.